Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook cover photo in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and click on the Create a Design button in the top left corner of the screen. Next, type Facebook cover into the search bar and press enter. You'll now see many Facebook cover templates. Choose a template style that matches your needs. In this example, I'm selecting a landscape style cover. Once you select a template, Canva will open a new editing window. On the left side of the screen, you'll see many template options. You can choose a template based on the type of cover you're creating, such as for a business, educational page, personal profile, or any other purpose. After selecting a template, you can customize it by changing the text, adding elements, uploading your own pictures, and making any other edits you want. Once you've finished editing your Facebook cover photo, click on the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. Then, select the Download option and choose PNG as the file type. Finally, click the Download button to save your Facebook cover photo to your device. And that's it. This is how to create a Facebook cover photo in Canva. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.